You know?
There's Mikey. And Scooby. Peanut.
We still got enough room to put the gate right
There's
here.
Sammy.
If I push that down.
And Donnie. Buster's way back there. Good boy, Mikey.
You can zoom in on him with that.
Good boy, Mikey.
Did you know that?
I know.
Look at Buster.
Shut up. Here's Charlie. Charlie's a little bastard. You're a little bastard, Charlie. Charlie's a little bastard. Are you stuck in prison? Minnie wants a kitty. Minnie wants a kitty. Minnie wants a kitty really bad. Minnie wants a kitty really bad. Mikey does too. Do you want a kitty, Mikey? Do you? Do you want a kitty? You do? You want a kitty? Alright, that's enough. Oh, you big mouth.